you guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kela Trishaan and I make videos on lifestyle, womanhood, mental health. I'll throw in some vlogs here and there. If that's something that interests you, go on ahead and click that subscribe button below and be sure to turn on your notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back and thank you for your support. Okay, so today I am doing a vlog, a weekend vlog. I'm starting today because I am going out with my sister and best friend to do some content planning tomorrow. So I'll be capturing that, but I wanted to just start it today since I do have a moment alone. My husband's at work, my son is at his granny's house, and I need to kind of get myself together. I need to do some with my hair. I just blow dried it, and I need to clean up and get me some breakfast. So it's about 1:45 right now. Today is June 26th. And yeah, so come with me into the kitchen. You can watch me make a little simple breakfast, and then I will come back before I start my cleaning and stuff. Hey y'all, so I'm just a little bit annoyed because I ordered a bunch of groceries from Instacart because it's just so much easier for me to do that instead of lugging my 2-year-old around. So anyway, the stuff came while I was doing some overtime. I worked a little bit this morning, and so I put all the perishables away, but didn't really have a chance to go through everything. But I noticed that the bags seemed a little light. So I just go on right now to the app, and I'm like, this lady saying that she got all this stuff and she didn't get it. So that leads me to believe that it was probably left in her car, because that's happened before where people think they bring all the bags and then they end up missing a whole bag, because I had several items missing. So I'm making myself some tea and I like to put honey in it, and I don't have any more honey, and I ordered honey and it was in that bag, I'm sure. And then just a couple of things for the baby or whatever, and seasonings, whatever. So it's just annoying because it's these apps are supposed to make life easier, but if I have to go to the store any goddamn way, why did I just pay for delivery? So not gonna ruin my day, but it's super annoying. And it's a little more annoying because I feel like it happens to me all the time. I don't know if anybody else has had these situations, but it's not just Instacart, it's DoorDash, it is Postmates, all these things. And I use them for the convenience because I just don't feel like cooking all the time. I don't feel like going to the store all the time, but it makes me just want to say, F it, I'm gonna just do all this stuff myself. But anyway, I'm hangry at this point, so let me go on ahead and finish my food. All right, y'all, so while my tea is steeping in the corner, I've got 2 eggs that I'm going to fry over hard, and then some turkey sausage. This is the Hillshire Farm smoked turkey sausage. Fire if you've not had it. I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning to the eggs, but I'm so heavy-handed I need to be easy because last time it was way too salty, child. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to add 2 pieces of toast to this too because like I said, I am hangry. So I will come back and let y'all see the final product. All right, you guys, so this is the finished product. I've got some toast with jelly and vegan butter, since Instacart didn't want to bring my honey. Then I have my fried egg with some onion salt and crushed red pepper, and my sausage, turkey sausage. And then I've got my vitamins. These are my Trader Joe's vitamins that I take every day. I've got a glass of water for said vitamins, and then here's my tea in the little old cup from the other day. So I think I'm gonna just enjoy my breakfast and chill for an hour because I have been up and at it since 6 this morning. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Earlier, I needed to take a little break. I chilled for about an hour or so. Actually, it hasn't even been a whole hour, almost an hour, because I had just been running around this whole morning and I was tired. So now before I get to cleaning, because I want to have the place clean before my husband gets home in a couple hours and before I have to go grab the baby, I am just going to put my hair in some little braids, very like simple braids or whatever. I just want to kind of have like a little wavy look, give my hair some structure for when I go out tomorrow. So I'm gonna let you guys sit here while I do that, and then yeah, I'll be back. Right now, I'm just parting my hair the way I like to wear it, so the braids can just kind of lay that way. I'm not gonna do them like really small or anything. They're gonna be kind of like big, because I'm not trying to be in here all day, and I have a lot of cleaning to do, so yes. And then I'm gonna go on ahead and split this up into 2 sections, because it just makes it that much easier. This is what we're working with. So as I was telling you guys earlier, my hair is already blow dried. So I'm gonna use this Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Moisturizing Twist and Lock Gel. It's this right here. So I'm gonna use this to just kind of put on each section, and then just like literally it's gonna be like very quick braids. So. Detangle as I go down, so it's easy the next day when I take it down and the ends don't look super ratty. And also I will apply more product if need be, just so the ends are not dry. Now I'm probably gonna add a perm rod to these later on when I sleep, but for now I'm just gonna kind of twirl the ends on my finger and then keep it pushing. So there's the first braid. So I'm gonna pretty much just do that throughout my hair. But again, I'm not doing like super big ones. So I'll take the next section and alright, break this into 2. And you get the gist. I'm gonna speed up the rest of this. Extremely heavy-handed with products because my hair just won't stay any other way. So you will see me putting big globs. And then also I am gonna go on ahead and just put the perm rods on now, because since I'm not braiding into the bottom, I don't want them to start to unravel. So I'm just gonna be using like a combination of my orange ones, and then I have a pack of pink ones. I haven't used them in a while, so they are like everywhere. I'm just gonna go on ahead and put these on here like so. And I'm just rolling them up to where the braid stops. So it can be like a little braid and curl type situation. And I'm not really tripping off of the sizes. That's why I'm like using different, you know, sizes. Like I literally have these orange ones, and then I have this pack of pink ones. It's like a new pack that I got from the beauty supply that I haven't opened yet. So yeah. finished product. Why when I got here though, I accidentally left like a little piece of hair out, so I had to like unbraid it after I had already like almost got done with it and start over again. But anyway, that's part of the point. So this is what we have here. So I'm gonna let these sit in overnight and then I'll take them out in the morning. My hope is to do like a little braid out type thing where I can wear my hair out. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. So if it's not like what exactly I want it to be, then I'll throw it like in a cute up style or something. We'll just kind of see what happens. But in the meantime, in between time, the bathroom is looking crazy. So I am about to, I was telling you earlier that I'm gonna clean. So I'm just gonna start with the bathroom since I'm in here. And then I will, I guess, move on to like the living room and the kitchen. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. I just cleaned the bathroom. I did the shower and the toilet, but I just could not get a good camera angle to show y'all the toilet without it being like TMI. So yeah, just know that that was done. And then now I'm in my son's room. I'm about to straighten up his room, and then I'm gonna go into the kitchen. So I would film something inside the living room, but it's not much to do inside of here. I just wipe down the table. I'm gonna pull the rug back and fold the blanket over there, set the pillows up. That's it. And then I'm gonna sort these clothes and I'm gonna sit my ass down because I'm tired, real tired. Hey y'all, good morning, good morning. It is Sunday. I am freshly showered, put on a little bit of makeup. I'm not gonna put on any lipstick or anything like that until I get ready to leave. And I'm about to take these little braids down. So I was gonna film that, but I'll just show y'all when I'm done, like what I end up doing. I don't know if I'm gonna wear it out. It depends on how it looks. If not, it's just gonna go on a little updo. We shall see. But I'm gonna go ahead and take these down and I will come back and let y'all see the finished product. Hey you guys, so I kind of missed the whole morning, but this is what happened with my hair because I had a little residue in it or some. But we're at Paul Martin's. Thanks, girl. I'm gonna let the girls say hey.
All right.
Say hey, Raina.
How are you doing?
Oh,
I hope okay.
Doesn't her hair look cute?
Oh, thank you. Don't worry about that.
Say hi. That's Sissy. Hi, see y'all. She's extremely weird. Don't mind her. So leaving the restaurant. Hello. See, she's vlogging too. You know, you just gotta take advantage of the weather and the restaurants because it's all work. It's all content. You know.
Look at this green. I love taking pictures in the green.